Hello world, it's Ritesh and today we are going to convert the audio file into text. As in the last program speech to text.py, we have converted our live speech into text. So in this video we are going to convert an audio file into text. So let us start and try to jump into it. So for this purpose you will need the last program which is available on GitHub. I will be providing a link in the description, so check that. So for following that we will need an audio file in WAV format, in .wav or in .flag format. So but
Hello there, we are going to convert an audio file into text.
M4A format. I don't know why, but so this is the audio file. So open the speech to text program and instead of with sr.microphone we will be using with sr.audio file for converting the audio file into text. Audio file, and here will be the name of the audio file. Let us say audio, and we have not defined audio yet, so we'll define it here like audio equals, what was the name of the file we just created? It was audio.wav. Okay, audio equals audio.wav. So at source, and instead of r.listen at source we are going to r.record from the source. It means it will record that audio file and it will send it to the sr.audio file for converting the speech to text. Not speech, but the recorded speech, means the audio file. So after that we have just said try print text or.recognize underscore Google. This is the audio, and accept any exception, print the exception. So let us run and see what happens. Okay, save that. Hello dear, we are going to convert an audio file, what we said in the audio file. So guys, in this way you can convert the audio file into text. And notice one thing, that if you will give larger audio file, then it will not work. It will give a bad gateway exception because it will take some smaller parts of like packets of the audio file and then convert it into text. So notice one thing, to give it a smaller audio file. So guys, thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye and have a nice day.